Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter, engine air filter, and cabin air filter on your Subaru Impreza. So first thing we want to do is get into the car. We're going to do the hood release right there. So let's move these filters out of the way real quick. Got those in my hand. I'm going to go up to the front. There's the release. Just going to push it to the left. Now we're going to get the hood prop and prop open the hood. Give me just 1 second. Moving all this junk out of my way. Sorry. Hood prop goes from here, goes up, and you put it right in there. So first thing first, we're going to do the engine air filter. Pretty easy to get at. Got these clips right here. Boom. Just pull this out, it separates, and there's your air filter right here. So as you can see, the rubber is going to go on the side that's closest to the passenger compartment. So let me take that out real quick and we'll put our other one in. Here is the old filter, lots of junk in it, and this is the new one. So pretty simple process. I'm just going to put this right back in here, but you can see it was definitely time to replace this. Watch when we drop it on the ground. All the junk that comes out of it. You don't want that going into your engine. So let's put that in real quick and then we'll move on to the cabin air filter. Filter's black in place, and then we are going to do these little clips here. A little hard to do with one hand because you got to put pressure on the housing there. One. Did that one go? No. There we go. Both of those are done. Now we're going to take our cabin filter and we're going to go over to the passenger side of the car. We're going to open up the glove box. Let me zoom out. There we go. So you're going to lower the glove box, and then you're going to put pressure pulling in. There you go. That releases that. Then you're going to go the opposite direction with this, and the glove box should drop. There we go. Boom. Pops out. There's this little clip thing here which you can undo, but this is where you want to get at. So you've got these little clips right here. You're just going to squeeze these and it'll come out. So there's that. There's a little door, and here is the cabin filter, and you can see it says up. So our new one has that on there too. So let's just pull this out. Here we go. Pretty dirty. We'll keep it oriented the way that it goes so we don't get confused when we put this one in. But let me open up the bag real quick. We got the filter out, got it where it says up with the arrows. We're just going to slide it into this spot. Boom. There we go. Now we can put the little door back on. Just kind of goes on these little hinges that are right there. Make sure I got it. Yep. Kind of missing the spot for them. There it is. Sorry, I was misaligned. But let me put the phone down, make it a little easier for myself. Nope, never mind, I got it. Good to go. So now we're just going to reattach this little clip. I find it easier just to pull this thing off on the side here. You can see there's a little hole and it just pushes on. So we're gonna reattach this. It just simply goes into it. Clip, boom. And then we're gonna do the little clip here, right over here, into this hole right there. But I'm gonna need my second hand, so I'm gonna raise this up and then we'll get this thing all the way installed. Perfect, we got that put back in. So now I just gotta get all my wife's crap and put it back into her glove box. And we are done. You may not believe me, but you go to like a dealer, they're gonna charge you well over $100 just to do that. And it literally took, what, 2 minutes? So don't get overcharged, do it yourself, super easy. Well, hope this helped out. You guys have a good one.